the fact that we get to attend a bunch of workshops that talk about different health topics that even as a public health major, we don't always get to talk about. So it's definitely a plus.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cleasy Torres, and my experience as ambassador teaches me how to communicate with the students and be able to learn something new each month. Since everything is online, everyone in the program is engaging, educational, and open minded through Zoom. Overall, I've met a lot of people who want to learn about the resources at San Francisco State University. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kiana, and what I enjoy most about being an ambassador is helping out students fulfill their college experience by letting them know about all the resources that we have on campus and getting outside of my comfort zone. Thank you.